Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking McGee Style. Today is Charlie's first birthday. Let's make her some PupCakes. Are you excited? Is it your birthday? It is. Hello. Hey, all right. Oatmeal. And I'm gonna be using my Nutri Ninja Jet thing. I'm gonna get 1 cup of oatmeal and spill it. And that first cup, I'm going to blend really good. Chop it up really fine, almost like a powder. Let's do that. Okay. Powder. And now I'm gonna add a 2nd cup. I'm gonna make a dozen PupCakes, so there's plenty for Charlie and Groot and all our puppy friends on the subdivision. So there's 2 cups of oatmeal. I only blended the 1st cup. Now we're gonna mash up 2 bananas. There we go, 2 mashed up bananas. I'm gonna put everything I'm doing in here in the description, all right? So no worries about that. Put our bananas in there. It's just easier to mash them up on a plate. Now to this, I'm adding 2 eggs, 1/2 cup peanut butter. Make sure it does not have the X word in it. The xylitol, which is an artificial sweetener, is poisonous for puppies. All right, about 1/2 cup peanut butter. We're gonna do some plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of that. Now some honey. I'm gonna be using 3 tablespoons. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Now that we've got that mixed and blended, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Not the soda, the powder. Now Charlie wants to say hello. Happy birthday, Charlie. Yeah, not yet. And now here are we had blended half and left the other half whole. Dump those in. Let's mix again. We are making crunchy, yummy, delicious, fluffy PupCakes. Here is a muffin tin, and I have little cupcake things in there. You know, let's clean up, hopefully, if I don't make a mess. I'm gonna try using an ice cream scoop. This is just water, so hopefully the mix doesn't stick to it too much. I'm gonna fill up each one of these. Not that much. That works out pretty well. Just not too much. Yeah, there's my mess. All right, let me get all these filled up. Ideally, you want them filled up about 3/4 of the way. There we go. Oven is preheated at 350 degrees. We're gonna put these in here. I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. Let's start the icing. I apologize. I'm new at recording at my home. We're still trying to figure out where everything goes, and I'm trying to figure out the best angles. This is obviously not it, but you're gonna get the gist of it. We're gonna add some potatoes, which I've already boiled, cooled, and peeled. Let me get that. There's 3 small potatoes. In the description I put 2, but these were small. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of the same Greek yogurt. Yeah, 3 of those. Now we're going to blend this, start on low. We're gonna add just plain water as needed. Could have smooshed up these potatoes before I put them in here, but that's just more dishes. It'll be all right. Get them off the sides, stick it back in there, keep going. We're looking for a smooth icing-like texture. Let's keep going. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Thank you, Google. All right, let's see. We have a toothpick. Let's see if it comes out clean. Yes, I'd say they're done. Puppies can smell them. They say, I smell food. All right, let them cool for a minute, then we'll put them on a different pan, let them cool even more. So I don't have a piping bag, but I do have a Ziploc baggie. Let's put our mashed potato icing in the baggie. Yummy. All right, that's enough. Stop doing. Let's wait on those cupcakes to cool down. Hold on, Charlie girl. Not yet, baby. Hold on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take these out of here and put them on a cool tray so they can cool completely and get out of this hot tray. Or the hot muffin tin, how about that? They smell good. Let those cool. I'm gonna do the dishes. Okay, we're cool enough. We're gonna take our baggie to add some icing to these. Make them look all cute and stuff, kind of. I know, I see you watching me, Charlie girl. Have I ever told y'all that I really don't bake? I really don't bake. That's all right. I don't think Charlie and Groot are gonna care. They didn't have any mini dog bones at the store here. So, these are small dog bones. There we go. Puppy party PupCakes. Yum. Before I feed these or give them to the dogs, they're only getting 1 apiece though because they're both on diets. Make sure we take the paper wrapping off. of course, let them have dinner, and then they can have this for dessert for Charlie's puppy birthday party. Are you excited? Is it your birthday? It is. Hello. Hey. All right. There's Charlie's. Charlie girl. Charlie, sit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, I'm done. Ready? Sit again. Down off the counter. Ready? No. Down off the counter. You've never had a cut cupcake before. I know. Sit. Here you go. Tell everybody what you think. Okay. I think she likes it. She'd come back for some icing. Happy birthday, Charlie girl. Yum. It's Groot's turn. Let's see what he thinks. Grooty, you want to have a cupcake from Charlie's first birthday party? Can you sit, please? Good boy. You ready? Say happy birthday, Charlie. I knocked it over. My bad. The crunchiness is the bone. I put on top. Is it good? Don't you wish Charlie had a birthday every day? Your birthday's coming up in January. What do you want for your birthday? We'll come up with something different. For Grooty's birthday, you'll be 4. Yeah. Groot. Groot. Say happy birthday, Charlie. He's over it. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to.